Verifying your bank account on GitHub is an important step for managing your financial transactions related to your projects. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your GitHub account. Visit the GitHub website and log into your account using your username and password. Ensure you have access to the account you wish to verify. Step 2. Navigate to Billing Settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings, then find and click on Billing and Plans in the left sidebar. Step 3. Add your bank account information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Confirm your bank account. After entering your bank details, GitHub may require you to confirm your account. This usually involves GitHub making a small deposit into your bank account. Check your bank statement for this deposit. Step 5. Complete the verification. Return to the billing section on GitHub and enter the amount of the deposit you received. Once you submit this information, your bank account will be verified. By following these steps, you can successfully verify your bank account on GitHub. This will enable you to manage your financial transactions more effectively.